Good day, everyone. As a starter activity or content that I would like to emphasize today is for the good of the learners in senior high school or much more in the college or tertiary level. This may be the springboard or preparation of students in their uh, travel or journey of discovering the contents of the Philippine Constitution, in which exposure to this fundamental law of the land would enable them to understand in one way or the other as preparation to understand why there are things that must be in conformity on within the mandates in the Philippine Constitution. Their exposure to the preamble of the Philippine Constitution, its interpretation could be the starting point for them as new learners to explore and prior to uh, move to the deeper uh, provisions in the Philippine Constitution gradually to uh, enable them to react to latest issues based on what they have understand from the impeachment process, which is now the hottest issues revolving within the context of removal from the office of the second highest position of our country, the Philippines, in the person of the Honorable Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Sara Z. Duterte Carpio. Now, as young learners, to prepare them, to expose them, we have to start from the preamble of the Philippine Constitution as the starting point for them to explore their knowledge somewhere and to act or to interpret on any provisions that they could apply in our daily lives as they go on pursuing their higher education. So here is the preamble of the Philippine Constitution for the benefits of the young learners out there and even the adults ones for them to take a grasp of the contents of the preamble of the Philippine Constitution. It says there, "We, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of Almighty God, in order to build a just and humane society, and to establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our patrimony, and to secure to ourselves and our posterity the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a regime of truth, justice, freedom, equality, and peace, do ordain and promulgate this Philippine Constitution." So by this as a starting point for the learners in senior high and college or tertiary level, they have to understand and interpret the concept within the preamble of the Philippine Constitution prior to going further anywhere as they explore their knowledge, going to the hottest issue nowadays, referring to impeachment process against the second highest position of the Philippine government, which is the Vice President position. Now, as a starting point, the students are made to interpret each of the line in the preamble, which is the summary overview of what is inside the Philippine Constitution.